the Lovely Lavender Craft Stack from Hunkydory. This is a lovely collection of foiled die cuts, papers, pop-up window cards, and instructions all in one 8-inch by 8-inch craft stack. So you've got inspiration right here on the front cover, shows you how you can use some of the items within here. And as we open it up, you have instructions for pop-up window cards. And within here, you're going to have what you need to make two. Maybe we can zoom in on this pop-up window card because that's pretty spectacular. It starts flat as a card. When it pops up, you've got this sweet little window there. You've got what we call a belly band to go over the card, to slide down over the card before you open it up. That is just super cool. And the instructions are really, really nice. They're photo instructions that show you exactly how to put that together. So everything you need is right there for that. And then we get into these beautiful die cuts. A total of 140 silver foiled die cuts. You're going to get 2 of each of the sheets that you see here. And they are easy to pop out. They have great sentiments. You are my absolute favorite. Birthday wishes just for you. Wishing you lots of happiness in your new home. So for lots of different occasions, you're going to be able to pick the sentiments that you want. Lots of different sizes and a whole lot of die cuts. So 2 sheets at a time. I'm turning 2 over. So we just open this. So I make sure I get that up. There we go. Beautiful borders. Let love grow, it says. Let your dreams blossom. So many great sentiments. I love that about Hunkydory. And lots of different shapes. These are going to be so easy to just pop out and place on your card. You're seeing me push up because they're nice and firm here at the top of the tab. But also I want to make sure you know that 2 of each sheet, remember, so I'm turning pages, but you're definitely getting 2 of each sheet. Really great visuals, and it has sort of a watercolor look and definitely lavender themed, lavender flowers, lavender in color. And some of these elements are going to be great for stacking. These are just going to be perfect for using foam tape, paper towel style, stacking those on top of each other. This is a great image. I really love this. Nice big circle. Time flies, but memories last forever. That's perfect for a scrapbook page. It's great for a card too, but I could see that surrounding some photos, some little circles of clocks. That is a really great look. And some of these have little hole there for tags. So these are great for gift tags too. And you get so many of these die cuts. So now we're into the elements for the pop-up window, and we've got 2 sheets of those and more elements. I believe there's going to be 2 sheets for each of those pop-up windows, and you will be able to make 2. So now we're into, after I get this one turned, it's a little stiff right there at the binding, 6 sheets of silver foiled printed paper. You get 2 of each of these designs. I love this because it looks sort of like a craft look with that beautiful silver foiling on there. So just beautiful. 2 each of those. They're single-sided, but they are foiled. So these are great for accents. Cut strips or use the whole piece just to cover your card quickly if you want to. Absolutely beautiful. And you can totally use these for scrapbook pages. I know they're small, but you can use one and mat a photo on there and add a few die cuts and use a 12 by 12 piece of cardstock for that to make a great big scrapbook page if you want to. Now we've got 12 printed double-sided papers. So you've got the beautiful imagery on the front. You turn it over and you've got a matching pattern design on the back. And you're going to get 2 of each, so you can use the front of this one and the back of that one together if you want to. So 2 of each of these images. That's really fun. So they sort of look like bird cages with candles in them. So that's beautiful. And then on the back, again, a matching design. We've got a nice brown, sort of a textured background with vines and then greens on the other side. Here's something that matches that beautiful clock design. And again on the back, nice border pieces. You could cut that into strips. These can really go a long way in that you can cover your card, or you can just add little strips of designs on your card. And I love that they are double-sided. It makes them just feel a little bit more substantial when they're double-sided like that. So I love that look. This has got kind of a haze in the middle and a little bit of a pattern on the top and the bottom, and then dots to complement that. And I also love that this is all in one place. So everything you need right here. Now we're into the 12 printed inserts. When it's an insert, it's a little bit hazier. It's a little less colorful, so you can write on there and it's not going to interrupt your writing. These are single-sided. You're going to get 2 of each of the designs you see here. And so this is really fun. I love craft stacks because you're just going to be able to pull out these fun elements and start crafting really pretty quickly and make beautiful cards, even use these elements with scrapbooking. And I think you're going to have a lot of fun making those pop-up window cards, the Lovely Lavender Craft Stack.